Lookup functions are very useful in day-to-day data analysis that we do, and XLOOKUP is one of my favorite, which is available in recent versions of Excel, right? So what is the use case, right? Again, for example, you see you have this is the return data set that you have, right? You have this flag if it's a returned order, and the flag says yes, right? And these are the order IDs, and for the order ID I now want to identify who are the customers for these orders, right? And I want to fetch customer ID and customer names, and these values are available in another data set which is called orders, right? So the formula that I can write is equals to XLOOKUP. Okay, and then you have to select the lookup value. So what are we trying to search for? So we will be matching the order ID, right? So I'll just click this cell, then I'll press comma, then I have to specify the lookup array, right? So the lookup array would be in my order data set, and that would be the order ID column. Okay, then I'm going to again press comma, and then I have to specify the return array, right? Which values I am looking for, right? So I am looking for customer ID and customer name, so I'll be selecting both the columns, right? I'll press comma, and just in case we don't find any customer ID or name for a certain order ID, then I can specify not found, right? And I can press enter, and you will see this is fetched. Okay, now I can simply apply the formula to all my rows.